Hi there, and welcome back to Triplicate. And you may recognize this washing machine as it featured in the whiter than white video I made, but this washing machine has a little problem. Let's see if we can. It is coming up with an E40 error code, and a little googling about Zanussi E40 error codes will tell you that it's almost certainly a problem with this guy. So this catch does two jobs really. It tells the micro that runs this thing that the door is closed, and when the thing's actually running, it stops you opening the door and letting out 10 litres or whatever of water all over the floor. And as I say, I did a bit of googling, and the consensus in the world of Google is that it's this guy that's at fault, not the main processor board up behind here. So I have ordered one of these, and we will replace it. But for now, should we try give it a good shove? So it's on 30 degrees synthetics. Turn her off again. Turn it to 30 degrees synthetics, and it's saying on 19, and now it's going to go. So it's an intermittent fault, and I presume that clunk you heard was the latch engaging. Okay, so finally we have a new door catch. No thanks to eSpares, who said they would have stock January the 31st. Middle of February I inquired as to where it was, and they said, oh, we'll have stock the end of May. So good old eBay has provided me with a part, so we will attempt to get into the old one and get it removed. Now, I did take a look on YouTube and see how he did this rather than wasting time trying to figure it, and I believe this thing here, you see me there, around the outside here is a clip which holds on the seal, and then we take that off and we can reach round in here and get at that, and we just undo those two screws. So should we have a look? There's down at the bottom there, there's a something which I believe holds this clip in. Okay, according to YouTube, the seal retaining thing should just pull out like this and not at all break. Come on. So we can. There we go. Pulled out and not broken. What should we do with that? Right. And they always say you must turn the mains off before you start working on the electrics of anything like this. Live dangerously. So that's my next job, is to find the mains plug, which is behind those boxes somewhere. Bear with me. No, it's actually down to the left there. Forgotten. So long since I put the washing machine in. Okay, so now we do that. Does nothing. So now we should, according to the nice people on YouTube, be able to peel the seal off, as it were. Oh, there it comes. Come on. Hey, what on earth's that? There's a thing there. Pipe or something. But I don't tell you about that. Anyway, we can get in to here. This is it. And I can feel it. So I will get a screwdriver, undo those two screws, and we should be able to pull it out of this little gap here. How tight are these? Not too tight. What do we reckon the chances are of losing these two screws? Not to mention the cat's dropping down somewhere inside. Right. There's the beast. So see how much wire they give us. Not enough. Is that white plastic thing? Looks a bit burnt there. Always a compromise between zooming you in so you can see and not zooming in so much that you're out of shot. Well, looks pretty similar, wouldn't you say? Right, so we should be able to get this plastic thingy off. There we go. And this is the connector. Which I think I need a small screwdriver to poke out. Come on. I think that's the only thing in place. It's latched. Ah. Well, that's odd. Come out. It's a 3 and a 1 sort of thing. There we go. Right, before I proceed any further, I'm going to try and have a look at the contacts in this plug, because it is possible the whole problem is poor contacts, and there's nothing looking corroded, and that is the cat wanting feeding. No, they all look clean and not corroded. However, I will fire a bit of deoxide in there and scissors. Let's get the new one out. go. You see that? Lovely. A thing of beauty. So, now the fun thing. Hopefully these plugs will only go in one way, one position. Like that. I remember the three were at one end and the one right, that goes, I'm pretty sure, like that. So that will go like that. Do we reckon? Got deoxit all over my fingers as well. This go in like that. Ha! Right. Short-term memory, people. Mine isn't brilliant. So I am going to pull the video off the camera at this point and have a look at the pictures. There's partly the reason why I video things that I'm doing. Okay, the old tablet, a couple of screen grabs from dismantling, and I reckon the wires come out that side, single one at this end, those three there. And if I now go to that one, so that's how it looked when it came out, basically like that. Okay. Ah! So that's it. You put deoxit in. And the connectors slide out too easily. Because this thing goes something like that in fact. Right, so now we shove that back in there. It should screw on like that with its little bracket thing, plate thing on this side. So we will do that. Come on. This is going to be fun relocating these screws. Yep. Put them through. Feel round here where they go in, like that. Screwdriver. Other screwdriver that can get it half a turn in. So I've now lost my screwdrivers for screwing those in. Talk amongst yourselves. camera adjustment. Right, that was just, come on. Plop this back over the edge. What they don't tell you in these videos is getting the seal back on is a right pain in the derriere. Right, so we will try manual. That works. So all that remains now is to see if it actually works. Okay, so what did I do with that plastic clip? So, check this has actually gone on alright. Plastic clip goes on in there. Come on. Well, that's as hard on as I'm going to get it. Right, so time to fire it back up and try it, for which I will need some washing. Okay, there she is, full of washing, set to the right setting. So let's shut the thing and press the button. Off she goes. Well, the other one worked intermittently, but I'm pretty sure that is going to be good. Because put that into the, so you can get it focused. Suspiciously looking burnt plastic there, which says something's been getting hot and this unit is faulty, but why not, for the sheer fun of it, see if we can tear into it and see what's inside. Well, actually that's turned out to be a good length video, to the point of having repaired the washing machine, so I thought I'd actually split it there and have a part 2, which will be the tear down of the old door latch unit. So I hope this has been useful if you've got a washing machine with a similar project, and probably the next video will be the tear down of the old one. So until then, it's goodbye from Triplicate. Goodbye.